Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with a very special Porsche. This is the new Porsche 911 Turbo 50 Years Edition. I have this for the next week. Thank you to Porsche Switzerland. This truly is an incredible Porsche and might just be my new favorite 911. So I have definitely had quite the Porsche week so far. I arrived back late last night from Finland on a big project with Porsche. You're going to see more of that in the next couple of weeks. And headed straight to Porsche Switzerland to pick this up. So at the moment, I'm completely spoiled for Porsches, and that makes me very happy. There can never be too many Porsches in my world anyway. So back on my local mountain pass today, it's a bit of a grim day, but this is also why I like special cars, because they always brighten up your day no matter what the weather. It is in the beautiful Adventuri green. I really, really love this color. Also somewhat matching with my jacket today. Not exactly, but quite close. And there is mosquito. That's when you know it's warming up. Seeing the first mosquito. What a beautiful thing this is. Holy moly. This really is a special one. So this one has the heritage package, which I think you just would have to take if you ordered this car. Included in that is the color. Back here we have the gold lettering, Porsche in gold, and the Turbo 50 in gold. Really, really looks nice. The interior, which we'll get into in a bit. And lastly, something that I have completely fallen in love with, these Sport Classic wheels. Now, to be honest, I wasn't too sure about the Sport Classic wheels when they first came out, but these in the silver and white color are beautiful and completely changed the look of the wheel for me. Really liking this two-tone, the silver on the outside and the white on the inside, mixed with this green. This is an absolutely killer spec, if you ask me. Dream Porsche right here. Also included in the heritage package, these decals. I personally really like them, especially the turbo decal here. Very, very nice. Now, I know some people have already and probably will make fun of me about this, but there are some exceptions, and this is one of them. Parking it with the wing up. That's right, this wing is going to stay up the whole time I have this car. The 992 Turbo S just looks better with the wing up. Some friends have already called me a few names for doing that. Do I care? No. And anyone who makes fun of you for parking your beautiful 992 Turbo S with the wing up probably don't have one also, so don't worry about them. $1,974 of these will be made, which is a nod to the first turbo's birth year. So it's the same power engine setup coming from a 3.7 litre flat six twin turbo. I'm honestly happy Porsche didn't do a power upgrade on this. It just does not need it. 641 horsepower. It's a huge amount of power. I definitely, well, not in Switzerland anyway, don't feel that it needs any more power than that. Let's talk about this beautiful heritage interior. Oh God. I've missed the Turbo S. So it's the stunning 1970s tartan. And this is a huge highlight for me. Porsche have done such a beautiful job with this. Completely transformed the interior. I love it all up here as well. So it's not just on the seats, also on the rear seats and also in the front trunk. Staggered wheels with 20-inch on the front and 21 on the rear. Plenty of tire for all of this power, which is very good. 8-speed gearbox. Right now I've got the car in sport mode and in manual. Nice Turbo 50 logos here and there. Again, I'm really liking the white decals on the side. Obviously, you could remove these if you wanted. So as far as I'm aware, this is currently one of the most expensive 911s you can order at the moment, up there with the ST. But first impressions are important. I think this is currently, could be, my new favorite 911. And that would also be based on having one 911, one car even. So 4-wheel drive, all year round fun. This in the snow, incredible. On a mountain pass, incredible. Driving it to the supermarket, incredible. Going for a blast with your friends on some forest back roads, incredible. You get the picture. It really is that car for everything. And it's just such a smooth curve of power. It really feels something like you're flying. That's how I thought of it this morning on the motorway. Constantly pulling, the power's always there. It's always ready when you want it. And there is so much power. Right, exhaust test wall, and off we go. That was wild. Oh my God. I want myself one of these. Such a glorious engine. Loving the sound. It just makes you giggle. The power, the sound. It's a fierce animal. Let's go. Oh God. The fact that you can drive this so normal on a day-to-day basis, but it does this as well. I start to understand the price, to be honest. It is that good. Wow. Sounds really good. What a machine! If I could buy any 911 now, that would be my one car. It would be this. And that is from the usability of it and the fun factor and this special 50 years edition. I think it's such a beautiful car. I can't get enough of these wheels, the color, and this interior. And this power is addictive. Oh. Just being propelled corner to corner, teleporting. So on the PDF that I received with this car, it says the price of this car in Switzerland would be 344,000 Swiss francs. Now that might not be the exact price someone in Switzerland would pay. Because of the euro, you get some kind of euro translation discount. But anyway, it's a lot of money, this car. I don't know what they're going to end up on the market for. Probably around that, to be honest, if not more, I don't know. So big money, but for a lot of car. I would like to try launch control, sport mode. Should be simple as always with Porsche, flat down on the brake. Yep. Oh my. Yeah. I missed that. Again, this is the car, as I said, that you could go and do your shopping in, take the kids to school, and then it can do that. I love this car. The most exciting launch control, still to this day, years later from when I first tried, I've ever done. Wow.